Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove background using the Canva website. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Canva website and then we will need just to start any design or opening any project so I can show you how to remove the background of any object. So for example, let's take these templates that I already had. Let's just remove all this. I will need just to have this one and I'm going to I need to save it. So basically I will need just to have some media. I'm going just to save this as an image. Let's just share, download as an image, only the page one. I'm going to download it as an image and I'm going to download and then I will have it on my computer here. After that, we will need just to use another tool to delete the backgrounds of our applications. So here you will need just to go to apps, background remover, background eraser. Here we will find this app. You click on it. So I already used it, so I'm having it here. I choose the file. So basically I want only this file that I have here. I'm going just to click on remove background and I'm going to wait for the picture to be processed and I'm having this result. Of course, I'm having a bad result since it thinks that my table is the object and not the frame. So basically make sure that the objects are too easy to distinct for having a good result because such picture you will have on any tool that you are using, you will have the same result as this. So basically, the software or the application thinks that this is my object that I want, and basically it remove everything rather than this. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.